Sup guys, so today in this video what I'm gonna do is show you how to get a Elytra. So Minecraft has a lot of rare items and among them however likely is the Elytra, but how do you guys actually get it? So first of all what we need is we need to go to the end, and we can do this by using the end portal, and for that we need uh, to just make it. And note that you need at least 12 eyes of ender and to locate and activate the end pole. And before stepping through, make sure you're well equipped, and defeating the ender dragon is necessary to leave. Bring plenty of blocks and firework rockets for later use. So I'm gonna just go right into it. We can see the Ender Dragon. So just give me some time and let me just quickly defeat him. Sup guys, so right now I have already defeated the dragon, and so now we have to locate a end gateway. It's a small floating portal that appears after the dragon's defeat, so it looks like this. And additional gateways can generate if you defeat the dragon again and again. What we're gonna use is a ender pearl, and we will use it to pass through the portal. And we can easily find the ender pearl because we can easily just farm the enderman because they're very plentiful right here. So I'm just gonna go through it. So basically, our goal is to find an end city with a end ship. So here we can see we have two end cities. One is with a ship and one doesn't have a ship. So basically, the ones that have a ship are the cities which have an elytra. So if you see a floating ship nearby, you are in luck. You can either build up to it or explore the city for extra loot. So what I'm just gonna do is drop down. Here we can see a shulker. So a great way to deal with shulker safely is bring a water bucket to protect yourself. Standing in water cancels the levitation effect from the shulker's bullet. You can just easily destroy it, and then you can get access to the elytra and the item frame. Okay, I'm just gonna destroy the shulker. After destroying it, we can easily just destroy the picture frame and get the elytra. And we have gotten the elytra, and here we can see in our inventory that we have the elytra. And now I'm gonna go back to the planes and show you how we can use it. Okay, lastly now I'm gonna show you how you can use the elytra. So basically you have to jump and then jump again, so you can start gliding mid-air. And what you can do also is use the firework rockets I'm holding and use them for a boost. It's great for long distance travel and takeoffs. What you can do is use an anvil and use it to add enchantments to your elytra like mending and also unbreaking 3. These enchantments must be applied using books. Elytra can be enchanted directly in an enchantment table. That's pretty much for this guide. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.